Okay, so now that you've got your tub set up, your lid set up, we can go ahead and work on the chiller now. So you should have received your chiller. Inside the box with the chiller, you should have a spare pre-sediment filter, your manual. Inside the two white packages, you should have your two quick connect hoses. Those will go directly into your chiller machine. You should also have a bag that has parts in it. Inside, you'll see two sets of these stop valves, these quick connect adapters. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the loose fittings and you're gonna assemble them just like this inside of your adapters, okay? So one side will have your quick connect release. The other side will be for you to screw onto your inlet on the actual tub itself. So I already went ahead and screwed on the outlet hose adapter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and screw on the inlet hose adapter. And again, make sure you're threaded on properly. Don't cross thread or anything like that. And again, you can hand tighten. And once you've hand tightened, you may not be able to go all the way, right? So if you want to, you can back out. And if you need to, you can get a wrench and you can tighten this down, right? Again, make sure these are nice and tight. And if you want your valves to be open, you turn them that way, right? If you want them closed, you turn them that way. And you can always check inside, right? And you can see in there, you may not be able to see, but you notice when I open, you can see into the tub. When you close, you can't, right? So when it's crisscross like this, or when I should say it's clockwise, or counterclockwise, it's open and closed, okay? Open, closed, okay? Same thing with this one. It's going to be open and then it's going to be closed. So open, closed, okay? So now you've got your valves on and you've got your quick connect. So the next step is you're gonna go ahead and connect your tubes and your hoses. And again, it's a quick connect. So how do you do that? You pull back on here and you're gonna go ahead and connect it. And now you'll see it's nice and tight, okay? You'll go ahead and you'll connect over here. Again, nice and tight, not coming off. And just for verification, I would just make sure that these are closed for now, right? Because we are gonna have to fill up the tub next. So once you've got your hoses connected to the tub, now you can go ahead and connect it to the filter and the chiller. But before you do that, I wanted to show you exactly what's going on inside. So if you ever need to change your filter, you lift up on here and you'll notice that there is two ways that this machine cleans itself. One, pre-sediment filter in here. Two, UV light ballast. So it is UV light. It's gonna kill all the bacteria and microbes in there. And it also is gonna trap any particles and sediments in here. So once you're done, you'll go ahead and close this up. Your UV light filter, you may only have to change that once every couple of years. Just depends on how many times you use your cold plunge. And again, the manual itself will go over and give you some important information. But after we've gone ahead and set everything up, you go ahead and you see that you have your in and your outlet hose over here. And in this case, we're gonna go ahead and move everything closer. And so red is out, green is in. So here's my green, and I'm gonna go inlet, and I'm gonna connect that. Here's my outlet. I'm gonna go ahead and connect that, and then again, just to make sure I'm on, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice tug. Okay, notice you do have brakes that you can here put on your chiller, so if you don't want your chiller to move, you can go ahead and put your brakes down, and now it's not going anywhere. Okay, so now the next step is you can go ahead and cut your power cord and release it from the fan over here. So go ahead and take some scissors, cut that loose, and then we'll go ahead and record the next video to demonstrate how to operate.